Hi everyone, I'm just here to make a short video with regards to the post iOS 14.5 update and making lead ads on Facebook. A lot of people are asking, does that change? How does that change the objectives? And if you've watched my videos before, you may have remembered that I mentioned that two objectives that are pretty much optimal to use are lead generation and conversions. Now, briefly to say to those who haven't heard before, lead generation is pretty much when you make a campaign where people click on it, it takes them to an on Facebook lead form so they don't have to go anywhere. Whereas conversions, it takes them to your website or landing page where they can be generated as a lead over there. Now, generally, landing pages provide higher quality of leads, whereas the lead generation can provide higher volumes, right? Higher quantity. Technically, the preference is to go by conversions, to go into landing pages in most cases, but it is important to really, even before the updates, to test to see what works better for you, right? For your business. Now, what has happened though with the update, it has made it a bit more difficult to track metrics that happen outside of Facebook, right? For iOS users, right? If the majority of your users are, let's say, Android, then it might not be as much of an issue for you. But otherwise, what makes using lead generation a bit better now is that everything that happens stays within Facebook. So you can get a lot more of the statistics, a lot more of the metrics, just available to you, and you're not, doubting if you're missing some vital information. Now, that doesn't mean that using conversions is useless. Definitely not. It is still a very strong option to use, and you can, with whatever metrics you can see on Facebook Ads Manager, you can complement that with using something like Google Analytics to see what's going on your site, to just match between the statistics and the differences that you might see. What you can do though, right, using lead generation, and Facebook for sure wanted to, for something like this to come up, while it does damage them, it does help users stay on their platform, right? Now, it doesn't mean just because it's what they want, doesn't mean we shouldn't do it, but they will make it easier, right? So I say always test. And what you can do to improve the quality of your leads is include some qualifying questions, some custom questions on these on Facebook lead gen forms. Okay, if you have any more questions, that was all for today. Please let me know, and I'll see you guys again very soon.